Hello mga mommy, narito po ang isa sa mga breastfeeding position, ang tinatawag nating football hold position or clutch hold position. Paano nga ba ito gawin? So you have to hold your baby beside you with your elbow bent, with your open hand, support your baby's head, and face him or her toward your breast. This position might be a good choice if you are recovering from a C-section or have a large breast. A pillow underneath your right arm can help support your baby's weight. To protect your back, avoid leaning down to your baby. Put your baby's head near your right nipple and support your baby's back and legs under your right arm. This clutch hold or football hold position is very helpful, especially if you had a C-section, you are breastfeeding twins, you have large breasts, your nipple are flat or inverted, your milk letdown is strong, your baby like to feed upright. This position maybe help babies with reflux. Okay, so again, hold your baby level facing up at your side. Put your baby's head near your nipple and support baby's back and legs. Under your arm, hold the base of your baby's head gently with your palm.